half locust. Beginning face down on the mat. Place the forehead on the mat. Arms are outstretched in front of you. Inhale, lifting the right arm and the left leg. The head stays in line with the spine. Exhale, lower. Alternate lifting the left arm and the right leg. As you continue, on the inhalation, really stretch the arm and the leg in the opposite direction, getting a nice longitudinal stretch to the body. Inhale, left arm, right leg. Exhale, lower. Press the tops of the feet down on the mat as you lift, keeping the leg completely in contact with the floor, and the hips square.